see the absorption of fat soluble substances like fatty acids and glycerol, or the substances which are insoluble in water. Fatty acid and glycerol, they are insoluble in water. They cannot be absorbed into the blood. First of all, these fatty acids and glycerols, they are converted into micelles or they incorporate into micelles. माइसेल क्या होते हैं? माइसेल्स आर द लिपिड मॉलिक्यूल्स. हमने पढ़ा था क्लास 10th में एक फैट मॉलिक्यूल का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है. इट हैज़ अ हाइड्रोफोबिक, it has both a hydrophobic and a hydrophilic region. Hydrophobic region जो था, that was a long hydrocarbon chain, and hydrophilic water attracting region was the phosphate head. Now the fat molecule, which consists of both the parts, a water loving part and a water repelling part. The water repelling part is a long hydrocarbon chain and the water loving part is this phosphate head. So the fat molecules, they arrange themselves in spherical form in aqueous solution. और क्योंकि फैट में दोनों रीजन्स हैं, नाउ फैट ड्रॉपलेट्स दे इनकॉर्पोरेट इनटू माइसेल्स. माइसेल्स मूव थ्रू द इंटेस्टाइनल म्यूकोसा. जब वो इंटेस्टाइन से के अंदर एंटर करते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं, जो ये माइसेल्स हैं, दे गेट कोटेड विद अ प्रोटीन कोट. ये है हमारे पास माइसेल्स थे फैट के बने हुए. जब वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर जाते हैं तो क्या होता है, दे आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू काइलोमाइक्रॉन्स, यानी फैट मॉलिक्यूल्स they get a coating of proteins. Now these chylomicrons, they are transported into the lymph vessels which are called lacteals. यानी villi के अंदर जो lymph vessels हैं उनमें ये chylomicrons आ जाते हैं and then they are absorbed into the blood. Let us repeat. The fatty acid and glycerol, which are insoluble in water, they first incorporate into micelles, that is the fatty substances, fatty acids, they arrange themselves in spherical form with their hydrophilic and hydrophobic regions. और फिर ये किस में, aqueous solution के साथ ही they enter the intestinal mucosa. और जब इंटेस्टाइन में एंटर करते हैं अंदर तो ये क्या बन जाते हैं, काइलोमाइक्रॉन्स, यानी फैट ड्रॉपलेट्स. दे गेट सराउंडेड बाय अ प्रोटीन कोट and then these chylomicrons, they are transported to lymph vessels in the villi, and from the villi they are absorbed into the blood. Now absorption of substances take place in different parts of the alimentary canal, but maximum transportation occurs in small intestine. There is a table given in NCERT कि in different organs of digestive system what kind of and how much absorption of food takes place. The last topic is disorders of digestive system. The first is inflammation. Inflammation is swelling of intestinal tract. That is the most common disease which occurs due to bacterial and viral infections, and these infections can also be caused by parasites like tapeworm, roundworm, threadworm, hookworm and pinworm. Another common disorder of digestive system is jaundice. In jaundice, liver is the gland which is mainly affected, and skin and eyes turn yellow. क्योंकि जब jaundice होता है तो जो bile pigments हैं, bile pigments, they get deposit in the liver, in the skin and eye, and they give a yellow color. Another disorder is vomiting, that is ejection of food through the mouth, and a feeling of nausea precedes vomiting. यानी vomiting आने से पहले हमको थोड़ा एक nauseous फीलिंग सेंसेशन सी फील होती है, एंड दिस एक्शन इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय वॉमिट सेंटर इन द मेडुला रीजन ऑफ ब्रेन. डायरिया इज इंक्रीज्ड लिक्विडिटी ऑफ फीकल डिस्चार्ज and it reduces absorption of food. Constipation, the feces they are retained within the rectum and bowel movement occurs irregularly. Then we have indigestion. Food is not properly digested and it leads to a feeling of fullness. पेट भरा भरा feel होता है. This causes indigestion, or the reason of indigestion can be insufficient enzyme secretion, anxiety, food poisoning, overeating, or eating of spicy food. That's all. We are finished with the first chapter, digestion and absorption. Next week we will be starting with the next chapter, that is breathing and exchange of gases.